Chamatar Battalion Assam Rifle Headquarter IGAR para Pradesh laga sabse kinar jaka khan majote ekta Kyutsukuru bosti de 4th October de free medical camp kam COVID-19 awareness program rakhishe. Idu medical camp te 247 manuke ilaj dishe. Unlock 7 laga nutun azade sarkar para janai dia nishina school khan class 5 para opor khulibo paribo. Idu opor aji NLTV para Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Dimapur te jaikana Father Joseph Diane SDB ke kotha kuri kana jankari loise. GB Union Dimapur para Pradesh laga sarkar ke Dimapur district laga janta khan bhal kam karne rural aru urban jagate duita deputy commissioner rakhibole bhabna janaise. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal para 10 points winter action plan koigana Monday din Delhi karne release kurise. Itu plan to Delhi te air pollution larai kuribo karne ase. Central Assam Karbi Anglong district te police para heroin 320 GM Monday te dhurise. Itu hadsa opor de police para 1 June ke dhurise. US scientist David Julius aru Ardem Patapautin ke Monday de discoveries on receptor for temperature and touch laga novel medicine laga prize dishe. Soponuke Nagaland TV de swagat korese. Mola nam Rovinio Lama ar apne desai se Nagamis Prime Time ita news details pa janai dibo. Nagaland Sarkar laga hukum hisabte class 5 aru opor khan nimite offline classes shuru hoi jaise. Sarkar para hukum diato swekar kuri kana kisim district te school khan shuru hoi jaise. Nagaland TV para aji Kohima aru Dimapur de kunba school logote kotha patise tate jani paise school khan sarkar hukum hisabte covid niyom khan sob chulai kana khuli ase.
Nagaland de schools khan offline classes shuru hoi jaise 2 saal nishina pichede. Students aru teachers kan bishi khushi janai dishe ekta jaga de jama kurigina classes lobo parado. Nagaland Sarkar pra offline classes shuru kuribole hukum diado kiman dak sahi hobo. Bacha khan kiman diri tak karone covid niyom khan chulabole paribo. Nagaland de educational institutions kan covid bimar nimine 2 saal nishina online mode te thaga bichire Pradesh Sarkar pra offline classes lobole ijazat dishe. Nagaland TV para Sarkar tia hukum do kiman institutions para phalke chulai ase idu jankari lobole Janmari Higher Secondary School Kohima de teachers khan logode kotha phatise. Hudahudi kura homoi chani baise Janmari School de 50% capacity hesab chulabole classes 5 upor khan mota maiki alternate days de classes attend kuri ase. School break pi khata panai dishe aru itia do 15 minutes hi di ase. Bacha khan ke pi hat thula bole di thake aru kha loa pi sob nijor khor pra anibo di ase. Teachers khan janaise bacha khan covid niyom khan sob bhalke jani paise idu nimire eku diktari samna na kure. School de pi teacher kunuba ta khan laga second shot rukhi thaka khan nohoile bishibak teachers khan ta khan la double doses pi loigina ase. Tai khan koise bacha khan laga khauhi tai khan nimite sabse jaruri ase.
The students started coming from class 5 upward, and then as soon as they come, they go straight to the class. We are not having any assembly. 9 to 2 we have. There's no, we have shortened the duration of break. It's only for 15 minutes to wash their hands, and they bring their own tiffin. They bring their own water. They don't share. We have instructed them strictly to have their own tiffin and water, not to share, and to maintain distance. Sit separately. One day it's the boys' turn, and the next day is the girls' turn. 50% of attendance, and then we have placed water, hand sanitizer, and hand wash everywhere. And then the children are instructed strictly to keep on washing their hands, keep distance, and put on the mask every time. And they are following that very nicely. And the children are already aware of the SOP since it's been quite some time. They are. Of course, we are telling them frequently, and they are following that, and they are very happy to do that, and we are not having any problem dealing with them. In fact, they are very obedient and they are very cooperative.
Yes, so we have been maintaining proper protocols and following all the SOPs in the school. So far, starting from class 5 till class 12, the boys and girls are coming on alternate days. And yeah, so that we can maintain, proper distance, and then we have to ensure that there is not too much students in the class, and to make it, less crowded. So yeah, that's what we're doing, boys and girls on separate days. And yeah, so far the response has been good. Almost all the teachers have taken the double dose, except for a handful of teachers who are waiting for their turn for the second dose. So yeah, almost all the teachers have been vaccinated.
Nagaland TV pra Dimapur Don Bosco Higher Secondary School de jaigena kotha kura homoi chani paise bacha khan ke face mask hotai lagabo de aru hat khan thulai thakibo lage goise hat khan sanitize kuri gena hi classes bitor de khusibo di ase school de attendance to odd even roll numbers to hoile ekta section ek din ahibo aru dusra section dusra din de ahibo itu nishina chuli ase bacha khan laga kaude olop diktari samna kurile teachers khan ge chuldi se chanai dibole koise school de bi trained nurse pra bacha khan laga kaude pishi dhyan rakhi ase koigena chanai dise teacher ekjun bara kwado online classes de bacha khan pishi dhyan dibo na pare idu nimire offline classes rakha hi phal ase koise.
Practically yesterday we had communicated through WhatsApp to the parents and to the students certain points that they should keep in mind. So one thing that we mentioned was, please take care of the good health and hygiene of your children, because it is also the responsibility of the parents and guardians. So on their part, I hope they do their responsibility. Now with regard to the school campus, you can see it for yourselves that we have made concrete measures, either by way of drawing lines, circles, to make sure that when the students come, that they are able to maintain, first of all, the social distancing. Secondly, we are insisting with the students that they wear the face mask at all times. Even in the class, throughout their presence in the school campus, they should wear the face mask. Thirdly, we have provided in 2 locations running water with liquid soap available, so that after the temperature is taken, the students come in an orderly way and have their hands washed with liquid soap, as well as we have provided either at the entrance or in the veranda hand sanitizer dispensers, so that they are also able to sanitize their hands before they enter the classrooms. And within the classroom also, since the government has asked only 50% attendance, we are following either odd and even roll numbers for attendance. Otherwise, we have also divided each section is divided into group 1, group 2. So the one group comes on Monday, the other group comes on Tuesday, and the same timetable is followed. The Monday timetable is followed on Monday and Tuesday. Then on Wednesday and Thursday, the Tuesday timetable is followed, so that all the students have the facility to attend, that they don't miss the classes. That is what you can see for yourself in the school campus.
Online class time de hole mukhan itu lockdown time de mukhan besi duk paise kile mane mukhan bi net system to mane network thik na thaka hoi jai itu pra mukhan class loa tan bi digdar aru etia to offline aha pra mukhan to besi khushi paise hoi manukhan koi online class loa tan de nije ghor de aram bra bohe goigina class school de ahibole kam nai ghor de amne khan to aram bra bohi ase aram no hoy mukhan teacher khan etia experience hwa do offline class mukhan school de ahigina sika to he mukhan bi mon shanti hobo aru bacha khan bi understanding bhal hobo itu bra etu on offline class school de ahigina sika to bisi bhal ase aru mukhan karne bi benefit ase. We are satisfied mane bacha khan ke bhal bra samjabole para aru mukhan laga ki lesson sika ase tu bi bacha khan bhal bra bujibo itu nimite mukhan bi teacher khan bi as a teacher moi experience hwa to we are satisfied etu school shuru hoi ja offline shuru hoi ja to bisi bhal ase hoina
sob manupi jane aru dikhi ase online education bra bacha khan ke kinika impact kurise online charigina students khan school de ahado tade bishi lab ase kintu bhoi aru chinda laga kotha do bacha khan kimanta covid nium khan chulabole paribo dusra sob charigina bacha khan laga kau bishi raksha aru hohai kuribole lage report lobole video journalist Choaching Lung aru Imlipa Sanglir idu reporter Robin Ovang aru Kelezul Tetso report kuri ase Nagaland TV karone Nagaland
Shamator Battalion Assam Rifle Headquarter IGAR पर प्रदेश लगा सबसे किनार जगह खान मजते एकता Kyutsu-Kyuru बस्ती दे 4 अक्टूबर ते फ्री मेडिकल कैम्प कम COVID-19 अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम थाकिशे Kyutsu-Kyuru बस्ती तो युमखुम जाति खान लगा बस्ती आसे और इटु बस्ती तो ट्वेंसांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट लगा अंडर ते आहे इटु बस्ती तो बिशि किनार ते हुआ कारण बेसिक फैसिलिटीज और मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज तो ना पुंचे कोइशे इटु मेडिकल कैम्प तो आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव कमेमोरेट कुरिकना मानुखान किनार बस्ती खानते थका खान के मदद दिकना ताई खान लगा खुशी जीती बोले कारण आसे और मेडिकल स्टाफ खान के लोय जायकना अलग अलग बीमार लगा ओपर जानकारी दिबुले आसे कोइशे Kyutsu-Kyuru बस्ती दे इटिया 286 घर आसे और इटु बस्ती दो शामातर सब डिविजन ट्वेंसांग डिस्ट्रिक्ट परा 46 किलोमीटर जायकना आसे कोइशे इटु मेडिकल कैम्प ते 247 मानु के इलाज दिशे और बीमार खान अपर रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक इन्फेक्शन एयर इन्फेक्शन गैस्ट्रिटिस स्क्रब टाइफस स्कैबिस एक्यूट gastroenteritis worm infectious skin fungal infection low baggage bronchial asthma allergy khan nishna bishi dhuri paise koise bosti manu khan ke ilaj hi nohoy kana common diseases aru itu bimar khan ke larai ulai itu karan oporde jankari dishe Mr. T Zalo head GB Kyutsu-Kyuru village और Mr. K Tokyo village council chairman para Shamator Assam Rifle के इनिका medical camp और COVID-19 awareness camp राखी कना ताई खान लगा बस्ती दे medical aid खान दिया ओपर खुशी जनाइशे प्रदेश लगा सरकार डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल तो बियापरा जलाई आसे कोइकना नीति आयोग रिपोर्ट कार्टे उलाई दिशे September 28 ते नीति आयोग परा बेस्ट प्रैक्टिसेस इन द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल रिपोर्ट 707 डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल मेडिसिन कॉलेजेस सब मिलाइकना 2018 परा 2019 उलाई दियाते प्रदेश लगा हॉस्पिटल तो भाल होबले बिशी दूर ते आसे कोइकना जनाइशे एकता डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल ते 80% बिसना थाके होइलेबी इंडियन पब्लिक हेल्थ स्टैंडर्ड IPHS para kwa pradesh te 26.39% ase koigana janai dishe etu opor pradesh laga district hospital te doctor to bed ratio opor bi mun chinda hobole laga ase report hisab te niti ayog para pradesh te tinta district hospital mokchung dimapur aru wokha laga report loise khali mokchung district hospital te doctor laga IPHS criteria to pura kuribo parise staff nurses criteria to tinta district hospital te bi punchibo para nai koikana janai dishe GB Union Dimapur para Pradesh laga सरकार के Dimapur district laga जनता खान laga भाल काम करने rural और urban जगते दुईटा deputy commissioner राखी बोले भावना जनाइशे press statement एकताते जना हिसाब ते Union para kuato सरकार para DC office to nutun complex chumuki dimate pata bole fesla lua homai bishi jhamela ulai ase aru itu to bhal nai koise itu fesla para naga manu khan laga majote bi bishi namila ulai ase aru inika hi thakile ahibo dinte younger generation khan bhal rasta chuni bole naparibo Union para koise duita DC thakile society re sob manu bhal kadam lobo paribo aru sob manu labh hobo ko kena janai dishe Dimapur Ranga Pahar fale railway track baharte anjan manu laga lash paise koikana Dimapur police para janai dishe lash to mota ase aru sal 30 para 35 nishna ase DCP para koise lash te legal formalities kuri loise aru lash to district hospital Dimapur de post mortem examination aru identification karne shift kuri kena ase mura manu to black aru blue T-shirt aru black track pant chulai ase aru mura laga khandan aru sati khan ke officer in charge ke kotha kuribole koikena jankari dishe Kohima all NST para loikena Razu Point took no parking zone bana homai our traffic jam bishi hua current main town te Kohima local ground to 1st October para shuru kurikena parking area banai dishe kokena janaishe NLTV para jaikene Kohima village youth organization KVYO General Secretary ke kotha kunba kurise aru tai para kwato itu parking zone te 150 gari khanto park kuribole paribo local ground laga alag site to khali rakhi kana ase kile koile tate sports khan bi khilibo koi kana jani paise
सब मनु लगा was amigan itia ere local ground de agine ase last time amigan janio parichi itu old MLA hostel laga secretary to itu tare parking lot banai dine ase itu city center banaule la jaga ase itia to banaule gane itu jaga to sob ready kuri gine ase itu la jaga to hoise gule to parking lot kuri gine banai dine ase holi amigan aro recently khobor paisi ki itu local ground laga area to itu parking lot banai dio gine kili gule to old NST laga jaga ra Razu Point tak to no parking zone banai dine ase itu smart city karne तो इतना तो ये हमने दिखे ऐसे कैमरा पर्सन केविली ले लो रहे ऐसे इधर जगह तो उसे गुले तो पार्किंग एरिया बनाई दी है ऐसे लोकल ग्राउंड ना होली अमी खान दिखे वो बारे ऐसे इधर लोकल ग्राउंड पूरा नहीं गिने ये देखने इधर कैमरामैन बात दिखाई दिशी गुले तो इधर ग्रीन एक ता बोस्टा वाइना बोन गुरी दी गिने ऐसे इधर ला जगह तो उसे गुले तो इधर ला जगह ला बियॉन्ड तेरो उसे गुले तो अमी खान दिखी पाए ऐसे कि तारीफाने तो इको पार्किंग चुलिया नहीं गुई ने दिखे ऐसे हाईवे अमी खान इतना जगह नहीं ये काम गुरी था मनन कुंबल होते हुदी सबो किना कुरुले इतना आमी कोहिमा विलेज यूथ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ला जनरल सेक्रेटरी लो रे गिने से एदि दु पार्किंग लॉट ला पड़े अलप होदाउदी ग्रोले मन जाय से सर अपनी इदु पार्किंग लॉट ते किमान ता निसना गाड़ी घुसे ना
in this ground we accommodate around 150 yes
parking area do usually kitara khulai chhe
on the 1st of October only so today is the third day of opening this parking
itu apni itu green ekta bosta lagai dine ase itu area itu to kile lagai dine utu party bi cholawle planning ase na kina
no that is for sports people we do not have much area for the people who wants to play and so we reserve this area for playing those who wants to play football those who wants to go for exercise and this area we want to park our vehicle to ease the traffic jam in Kohima.
Thank you very much, sir. Yes. Itu report lo le gane ami camera person Kevili le methal ho re ami Motamjin Pongener NLTV.
Union Health Ministry data hisab te 24 घंटा बिटोरे देश ते 20,799 नतुन COVID-19 cases पाइसे और 180 मानु बीमार परा मुरिसे recovery rate इतिया खरा कुरातो 97.89% ते आसे और 26,718 मानु बीमार परा भाल होइसे कोइ केना जनाइसे देश ते इतिया मानु बीमार परा भाल होआतो 3,31,21,247 होइसे और 2,64,458 एक्टिव केसेस पाइसे नागालैंड प्रदेश ते भी 31,329 टोटल केसेस पाइसे और 29,351 मानु बीमार परा भाल होइसे कोइ केना जनाइ दियासे Workha district Pangti Bostite Amur Falcon Jamakura Jakato tourist khan nimite khuli dishe itu moina para 2 sal bon rakha pichite Amur Falcon roosting area union AFRAU Pangti Bosti para janaise jaka bon rakhato Nagaland sarkar para Bostite Amur Falcon hohai aru raksha nimite infrastructural facilities iku nabanai dia para thakise AFRAU president Thungchumo Shityo janaise Pradesh Sarkar pra zaruri vikas khan ani dile Pangti Bosti para aha samai tebi mon aru tak dikene chiria khan ke hohai aru raksha kuribo Amur Falcon khan aha haptate Pangti Bosti punchibo nishina ase AFRAU Pangti para visit kuribole mon thaka khan sobke swagat kurise Pangti Bosti ahikena Amur Falcon khan sabole Pangti Bosti to the Falcon capital of the world mani ase itu oporte AFRAU para tourist khan ke Amur Falcon khan sabole aha homai ke kuribo na kuribo sob janai dishe COVID-19 laga niyom bhal ke chulabole chiria khan jama hua jagate jabole naparibo junction hi thakibo doyang dem para jahaz khan sob bon kuri ase shikari saman aro pataka sob bon ase Rapapen para Chiria Jama Kura Jagate Gari Aha Khanto 4 baji para 5 baji bon kuri ase. 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers aru awaz bishi ula motor jahaz khan sob bon kuri ase 4 baji para 6 baji tak. Single use plastic aru jabra letra khan sob bon kuri ase. Visitor khan ke ekta guide dibo aru rupees 1000 lobo. Visitor khan ke B homestay nimite AFRAU ke contact kuribole janaise. Kohima te Chanmaria High Secondary School to class 5 para loikana class 10 tak 4th October para wapas khulishe. Report laga hisab te janya to school te assembly khan nathakibo, program khan iku nolubo, break laga samay bi khata koribo. Nijor laga tiffin anikena manu khan logote milikena nakhabo, nijor laga pani anikena khabo aru social distance to ki hoile bi rakhibo lage koigana student khan ke janaise koise. NLTV para jaigana CHSS laga teacher Mandhya Rai assistant teacher aru Ginpu Kipken economics teacher logote school wapas khula opor kunba kotha hudise aru ki sob khan cholai ase itu opor bi tai khan para jankari dise.
Ma aminon hunise gulido kohima manu Nagaland hulibi bishi janya manu ekta school ekta ase well known ekta school ase dula ide aya do aminhan hunise ki class 5 to 10 do school than start hina ja ase government order than follow guna to Chanmari school than bi aji start hoje gise to itu start hina ja do tan kina ja ase aro pachana kina maintain guna kina control guna SOP to maintain gurule saule government rules than itu ja ase to huti sawo ami thanot teacher Tuita aina ase Chanmari school la taijundi huti sawo aibe. Hello, welcome to NLTV sir and ma'am. Sir, apni jujuna naam aro designation koi dubo.
Hello viewers, I'm Mandhya Rai and I'm an English teacher.
Hello viewers, my name is Ginpu Kipgen. I teach economics in the higher secondary section.
Thank you so much. And ma'am, moi hudu mun jado ma'am aro sir de hulibi idu ida mon hunise aro dikhiase so pandemic bisolo normal no hije ki de hulibi to idu Chanmari school bi na kholai na ida 5 to 10 do especially pachatan ase ami dan khorde hulibi baba ma pachatan dibi control kurule man easy no hai apni than idu tahan de kina ja ase aro idu school than kina manage kuna school authority dan tahan de ki goal ai aro ki kuro lagi do olop highlight kuri do parbo.
Yes, the students started coming from class 5 upward and then as soon as they come, they go straight to the class. We are not having any assembly. 9 to 2 we have. There's no, we have shortened the duration of break. It's only for 15 minutes to wash their hands. And they bring their own tiffin. They bring their own water. They don't share. We have instructed them strictly to have their own tiffin and water, not to share, and to maintain distance. Sit separately. One day it's the boys' turn, and the next day is the girls' turn. 50% of attendance, and then we have placed water, hand sanitizer, and hand wash everywhere. And then the children are instructed strictly to keep on washing their hands, keep distance, and put on the mask every time. And they are following that very nicely. And the children are already aware of the SOP since it's been quite some time. They are. Of course, we are telling them frequently, and they are following that, and they are very happy to do that, and we are not having any problem dealing with them. In fact, they are very obedient, and they are very.
Under 19 Women One-Day Trophy KIIT Cricket Stadium, Bhubaneswar te Thaka opor Nagaland team to Sikkim ke 52 run para harise. Nagaland team to GT bole 144 runs lagi thakise hoilebi Nagaland to 91 runs 38.3 over te ball out hoise. Ilu Newly Ziliang to top score kurise aru tai para 25 runs banaise. Priyanka aru Watinaro para bi 19 aru 13 runs banaise. Sikkim nimite bi Diksha para 3ta wicket banaise aru Nur aru Liza para bi 2ta wicket banaise. Sikkim para 143.850 over te banai loise. Nandita aru Pranita para 33 or 32 round banai loise. Dusra players Nur para 16 run aru Pritika para 15 runs banaise. Nagaland to itia tai khan laga akhri match to Manipur logo khilibole Monday dinte Railway Stadium Bhubaneswar te. Aru Nagaland laga men's under 19 bi Arunachal logote Monday te Mikon Stadium Ranchi te khilibole ase. नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी के नीट यूजी 2021 तो कैंसल करिकेना और वापस लोबले मांग कुरिया ऊपर सुप्रीम कोर्ट परा नामानिबो कोइकेना फैसला जनाइছে सुप्रीम कोर्ट बेंच ऑफ जस्टिस LN राव और BR गवाई परा কৈছে इटु फैसला तो लैसे कइले स्टूडेंट खान बिशी मन बिया हबो undergraduate medical aspirant खान पारा इटु petition file कुरातो entrance exam ते paper leak हुआ और malpractices खान थाकिया कारण आसे কৈছে CBI लगा FIR ते कुनबा coaching center खान इटु झमेला ते आसे कोइ कना भी जनाइছে SC पारा कुन 7.5 lakhs निचिना student खान exam di कना थाकिया तो बास्ता FIR ओपर cancel कुरिबोले नापारिबो কৈছে Central Assam Karbi Anglon district te police para heroine 320 GM Monday te durise itu hatsa oporte police para ek jun ke durise Bokajang sub division police officer John Das koise khobor pai kana thaka karan ekta bus Dimapur Nagaland para ahi thaka ke Lahori jan jagate police para rukhaise bus ke bisara pichite police para heroine 320 GM 25 sapon box te dhali kana thaka ek jun manu laga hat para durise itu pichite itu manu ke dhuri loise Delhi Gurugram Highway Delhi Airport jagate Air India aircraft to foot over bridge te phasi kena Sunday din paise edu hatsa laga 40-second video tezi para viral hua karan manukhan para viral kuri thaka homaite Air India laga official statement te janaise Air India plan to taikhan para dusra manuke bigai dise ar taikhan para hi cholai kana loi jaise airplane company para koise ki rasta para plane loi jato nutun manu kun para itu plane kinise taikhan laga hi kam ase aru bi janaise ki plane bikiri nakura samaite plane laga wings to aircraft body parts para ulai dise official khan para bi janaise purana aircraft to scrap dealers khan logote bikai de koi kana koise Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal para 10-point winter action plan koikana Monday di National Capital Delhi karne release kurise. Itu plan to Delhi te air pollution larai kuribo karne ase. Air pollution to thanda mosam te bishi hoija aru itu karon to bishi ase. Kisan Khan para Pradesh osorte jui jula karon karne ase. Aru janai dishe Aam Admi Party laga chief para bi Central Sarkar aru Osor Pradesh Khan ke binti kurise. Hoilebi ikus समस्या आना नाय केजरीवाल para koise ekta ke galti te thaka bodli to taikhan para samadhan ani ase aru central sarkar ke binti kurato manikana cholabole laga koise Supreme Court para Kisan Khan farm loss challenge kurigana andolan rakhi thakia to judge kuribo koigana Monday din janai dise Justice AM Kanwilkar para bench loikana koise Kisan Khan para andolan kuri thakia to absolute right ase na nai faisla lobole ase Apex Court para janai dia to Kisan Khan andolan to shanti para kuri ase koigana janta laga property Jabra aru saman biya kuri dia to responsibility noloy koikana Lakhimpur kheri laga hatsa ulaise Attorney General KK Venugopal para itu jawab te koise kisan andolan to rukhaile hatsa khan nohobo koikana janai dise Odisha te moist Mikey 2 June Sunday te police laga age te ahi kana surrender kurise surrender kurato DEBE Padyami allies Gangi of Guma area or Gita Padyami allies Ragita Andhra Odisha border military platoon te thakise 2 June Director General of Police Abhay Koraput aro Malkangiri district ahia samaite surrender kurise koise itu 2 June to security forces opor 11 bar hamla kurise koise aro 2 June laga oporte 4 lakh aro 1 lakh inam durise koile dibo koikana ase माइकी दुईटा तो प्रदेश ते स्टेट गवर्नमेंट para विकास कुरा दिखी केना खुशी पाई केना दुईजन भी सरेंडर कुरिसे को केना जनाइसे
DGP Odisha along with other senior officers have arrived at Koraput district in whose presence two lady Naxalites have surrendered, one ACM cadre and one party member, and along with that DGP sir has presented commendation rolls for all the police personnel of Koraput district who have done excellent work in LWE arena as well as in NDPS detection. In LW arena, 22 police personnel of Koraput district police have received the prestigious DGP commendation, and in NDPS detection, 5 police personnel of Koraput police have received a DGP commendation. Surrendered Naxals, one ACM cadre, Gangi, she was working in Guma platoon, Guma area committee in AOB.
Content creator और blogger Harish Sharma Judger Haryana te BJP laga social media coordinator kuribole tai ke appoint kuri dishe. Harish laga kam to party leaders laga social media profile election samaite sabole aur tai khan laga izzat maintain kuribole karne tai ke appoint kurise. Itu agete Harish to bishi political leaders manu khan laga social media advisor kuri thakise koise. Social media manager aur coordinator thakato bishi duk laga kam ase aur bishi jankari thakibole lage. Aji laga aspas jaka khan laga hoilebi Harish para koise kam to kiman duk hoilebi mon para kurise koile kamyab hobo koise. Harish Sharma social media falete tai laga jaka banaise aru sob manu ke itia laga mamla aru awareness kuri thake. उत्तर प्रदेश लखीमपुर खेरी झमेलाते 8 जून लगा मौत हुआ अपोर्टे कर्नाटकाते हसंद और शिवामोगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट किसान खान पर आंदोलन मनाइसे कर्नाटका राज्य राइटा संघ कर्नाटका प्रांता राइटा संघ और लेफ्ट पार्टीज पर आंदोलन ते हिस्सा लैसे संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा कोइकना हसन ते किसान खान हेमावती स्टेच्यू लगा आगे ते आंदोलन मनाइसे और स्लोगन बनाइसे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट लगा खिलाफ ते आंदोलन ते यूनियन मिनिस्टर अजय मिश्रा और किमान जुन हादसा ते थाकिसे सब मानु के एक्शन लॉबी को केना मांगिसे Union Health Minister Manchuk Mandavia para Indian Council of Medical Research laga drone response aru outreach northeast te launch kuri dishe. Itu delivery model para manu laga jivan bacha laga saving vaccine ghortak punjabo. Itu desh te pehla hobo make in India opor drone South Asia te COVID vaccine transport kuri bole nimite bana. Itu drone para 31 km jaka 15 minutes te cover kurise. Minister janaise vaccine khan sob Bishnupur district hospital para Karang Health Center Lokta Lake Manipur tak transport kurise. Jaka laga distance 26 km thakise. Aji Monday te dosta beneficiary first dose loise aru 8 June second dose loa minister para janaise. शाहरुख खान लगा बच्चा आर्यन खान के एक दिन करने रिमेन ते राखिसे ताई के नार्कोटिक्स कंट्रोल ब्यूरो पर अक्टोबर 3 ते गिरफ्तार करा पिछिते आर्यन बेल रुखा हमाय कथा ओलाइसे एनसीबी तो एसआरके लगा घरते हुदाहुदी करने जाबले आसे होइलेबी इतु कथा ओला सबके मिसा आसे कोइकना जनाइसे आर्यन के सीनियर एडवोकेट सतीश मन शिंदे para represent kurise और court te koise tai laga client Aryan ke event organizer para mati kena ja laga ase और Aryan ke defend kuri kana koise iku saman tai laga hat para recover kura nai aru iku evidence nai tai para drugs khaise koi kana Aryan ke ki section khan under te book kurise itu khan sob bail kuri bole para laga ase report hisab te Aryan ke custody te loi ja homaite tai hat te iku dura nai itu karan consumption charges te hi book kuri kana ase US scientist David Julius aru Ardham Pata Fountain ke Monday in discovery on receptor for temperature and torch laga novel medicine laga prize dishe ko kana janishe Nobel jury para kwato itu ground breaking discovery to kiniga gorom thanda aru mechanical force to nerve impulses ke initiate kuri kana dunia te kiniga perceive aru adapt kuribo lage itu ko janaishe Julius to University of California, San Francisco, the professor ase aro Pata Fountain, the Scripps Research California, the professor ase koishe, at Taijund Nobel Prize check 10 million Swedish kronor to Taijun laga majote bhag kuribole ase koigona janishe. Joa sal to itu award 3 June virologist hepatitis C virus discover kura ke dishe koishe. Nobel season to Tuesday din physics award thakibo Wednesday de chemistry laga thakibo aru sobse rukha literature award to Thursday thakibo koise peace prize bi Friday din thakibo aru economic prize to Monday din loikana khotom hobo koise Washington State laga Shri Saini first Indian American ase Miss World America 2021 te GT bole Saini heart health laga advocate ase aru koise aru 12 sal thaka samaite ekta car hatsate tai laga face jui para julishe hoilebi itu hatsate jokhom pato tai ke itu pageant te shamil hobole rukhi kena nai itu even to Los Angeles te Miss World America laga headquarter para manishe koise aru Diana Hayden para Saini ke crown kurishe Saini Miss World America Washington ekla nohoy kana MWA National Beauty with a Purpose Ambassador ekta ase society te komzor aru dukhi manu khan ke modot kuribole Pakistan or International Monetary Fund IMF aha haptat USD 6 billion program karne batchit kuribole ase duita site milai kana electricity prices to ota bole lagate kotha kuribo sources hisabte finance minister Shaukat Tarin para October 15 din top IMF management Washington te batchit rakhibo thakia to bhal para khotom kuribole icha kuri ase koikana jani paise hoilebi IMF para face to face batchit kuribole lagato finalize kura nai aru itia takte to virtual para October 13 to 15 batchit rakhibo koise Pakistan embassies Washington te thakia aru State Bank of Pakistan milai kana IMF top management opera physical batchit kuribole laga din ulabole le khushi kuri ase koikana janaise Ajila samachar itu samat hoise information update karne sai thekibi Nagaland TV